Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. To continue the Among Us series I've been making, I decided to make a little mid-vent imposter plushie. A huge thank you to everybody who suggested this idea, as I think it's definitely one of the cutest things I've ever made, and I also added a tiny knife pattern for everybody who's been asking for one also. Here's the list of everything you'll need. You can change the main body fabric to whichever colour fabric you want. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. It's the second link in the description. All of my patterns are scaled to an A4 piece of paper and have a small key in the top left hand corner to help guide you when cutting it out. The first thing you need to do is sew up the dart on the body piece. Repeat for the second body piece. Place both body pieces with the tracing facing up and sew them only along the top curve. Then, flip this piece the right way up once done and stuff it using the stuffing to hold in the excess seam allowance. Take the two black vent pieces and place them with the tracing showing and begin joining them along the edges. Since black fabric can be hard to trace over, you can use a white pencil or tailor's chalk to help get the lines to show up if necessary. I use felt for the vent pieces to help distinguish between the scenery and the plushie itself. When you're almost at the end, flip the black vent pieces upright and close off the remaining open edge. Pin the purple body piece so it's nearer to one side of the middle top black vent pieces and join it on using an invisible stitch. Once done, take the blue visor and sew up both darts on either side. Place the white glint on the left hand side of the visor on the side with no tracing a little above the dart and join it on using a running stitch. Pin the visor to the centre of the body on the side that is closer to the edge of the vent and join it onto the body using an invisible stitch. When you've almost reached the end, stuff it to give it shape and then complete the rest of the sewing line. Take 5 of the 10 vent hole pieces and the grey vent lid, and on the side with no tracing, evenly place each vent hole and use a running stitch to join it. Repeat the same for the second vent side using the remaining 5 vent holes. Place both vent pieces together with the tracing facing up so the vent holes face in the same direction, then begin joining them together along the tracing. When you've almost reached the end of the sewing line, flip the vent lid the right way up. Close off the remaining open end with an invisible stitch. Align the vent lid and the back edge of the vent hole and join them together using an invisible stitch. For the little knife, take both black handle pieces with the tracing facing up and begin joining them around the handle. When you reach where the blade should be, tuck in the grey blade piece so it points inwards, then join it in. Once done, flip it upright. Close off any remaining open edges. Start the sewing line in the discrete area in the seam and sew a line between the grip and the guard to create dimension. Use a small invisible stitch to join it to the body. And that is how you make a Venting Among Us plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!